guys, my name is Aishi and today I am going to create a red lip look, so let's begin. So I'm starting off with this Radiance C cream which acts like a sunscreen from Laneige, and I have done a review on them so you guys can check it out if interested. It creates a very nice base and it adds this very natural shine and shimmer to your face, and sunscreen any which ways is very important, and I love the natural base it creates for the makeup. This is how it looks, and after that I move on to my moisturizer, for which I use this aloe vera gel. Now there are tons of moisturizer, but I have found out that this aloe vera gel really helps in setting up my makeup, and I am all about that healthy glowy look, which is why I am applying this. Using too many products just makes my skin very cakey, which I do not like, so I go with very simple products as my base, and this is how the base looks so far. So I like to dry off the products before I move on to the next step, and here the next step is foundation, and this is from Dior. The full review of Dior foundation is up on my channel, you guys can check it out. And then I'm using this wet blender to blend it all up. I love this foundation. This is a buildable foundation and it looks so natural, like it's your skin, but it is like you have a filter on your skin, and it blends on your skin so well, and it does not make your skin feel heavy, and it does not appear cakey just like other foundations out there. So I'm done with the foundation, so I'm moving on to the next step. For that I am going to conceal some of my dark circles and dark spots which I have using this Mars Cosmetics palette. Now I don't have anything much to conceal, but since I am going for that red look, I do not want any pigmented or these areas on my face which get reddish, because they can take away from the red lips look. So if you guys have seen my makeup videos, you know I use my fingers a lot because I think it is a lot easier to control. So I gently dab it on my skin, and I do not rub it because then it can create creases. So I gently dab it on the areas where I have pointed them, and then this is the flawless base it gives me. So I want the red color to pop off, which is why I am applying some of the concealer on my lips. This will give it a very nice base. And now moving on to the lipstick, I am using this red lipstick from Stay Quirky. It's very affordable and the pigmentation is great. It's a liquid lipstick, so it's perfect for date nights. I don't use a lip liner because I use the applicator like this to line my lips. So I love this shade of red, and honestly you do not need anything else going on with your face if you have this. So since I want my red lips to be the main highlight, I am simply going to elongate the natural line of my eyelashes and create this eyeliner look. With red lips I do not like very heavy eyes, and so I'm just simply going to elongate my eye length with this simple line following the crease of my eye. Next I'm going in with my trusted mascara from Maybelline and using it again to elongate my lashes. I love mascara and a good lipstick. That is all the basics I need for my makeup. On days when I'm not applying anything, a dark lipstick and mascara is all I need to create a glam look or an everyday look. This mascara gives a very natural length to your lashes without making it look too extra. And keeping it very simple, I only use my eyebrow pencil from ADS without using any brow powder, brow gel, brow brush, and I just use this brow pencil to add a little bit of color to my brows. And now let's move on to the contour part, and this is the contour from End My Bay. I like to blend it with my blender and then using my fingers just so that it's in shape and it's nicely blended. Since my face is round, I like to contour it 2 times, one time using that contour and next I go in with a powder contour. And I also like to contour my nose with my fingers because again it's very easy to use my fingers than any brush. Then I'm going in with a highlighter at the bridge of my nose and on my cheekbone. I go in with a silver subtle highlighter. I like this color more than the golden and the rose highlighters. Again it gives a very natural glow. We do not want too much of blingy glow. I don't like that, and this is how it looks so far. So finally I am going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow on the corner of my eyes from Nykaa just to give it a little bit of a cat eye look without doing it too much, as you guys can see. Then you can set it all with a powder, which I forgot to shoot, but this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.